What is local citation building for local SEO? Your business isn't just competing with the store down the street. It's fighting algorithms, map packs, and voice assistants. Local citation building is the quiet strategy that separates the "why can't anyone find me" businesses from those dominating their zip code. Let's cut through the jargon and unpack why this matters right now. Local Citations 101. The digital DNA of your business. A local citation is any online mention of your business's name, address, phone number, NAP, and website. These aren't just digital shoutouts. They're how search engines verify your existence, location, and legitimacy. Two types of citations. 1. Structured citations. Formal listings on directories like Google Business Profile or Yelp. 2. Unstructured citations. Organic mentions in blogs, news sites, or Instagram posts, e.g., top 10 vegan cafes in Portland, lists. Why citations are Google's trust score in 2024. 76% of "near me" searches result in a store visit within 24 hours. But Google won't send those searchers your way if your citations are messy. Here's why. 1. The consistency rule. List Main Street on Facebook but Main Street on Yelp. 1. Google's algorithm flags this as a potential scam. 1. A Citation Builder Pro study found businesses with consistent NAP details are 2.7x more likely to rank in the top 3 local results. 2. The neighborhood effect. Citations on locally trusted sites, e.g., your city's tourism blog, weigh heavier than generic directories. 3. Voice search fuel. 58% of consumers use voice search to find local businesses. 3. Citations help Siri or Alexa recognize your business as a valid answer. How to build citations that move the needle. 1. Claim your big 5 inches profile. Start with the non-negotiables. 1. Google Business Profile, the #1 local ranking factor. 2. Apple Business Connect, prioritized for iOS users. 3. Facebook Business, social proof plus citations. 4. Bing Places, covers 33% of desktop searches. 5. Yelp, still drives 92 million monthly app users. Pro tip. Service area businesses, e.g., plumbers, landscapers, should hide their address on Google Business Profile to avoid penalties. 2. Target niche directories like a sniper. Generic directories or table stakes. For real impact, dominate platforms your customers actually use. 1. Restaurants. OpenTable, The Infatuation. 2. Healthcare. ZocDoc, Vitals. 3. Retail. Foursquare, Yellow Pages. 3. Hunt unstructured citations. Pitch your business to. 1. Local news outlets, e.g., Austin Monthly's best new restaurants. 2. Industry blogs, e.g., a vegan bakery featured on plant-based news. 3. Community forums, Nextdoor, Reddit's R, Your City. A Brooklyn bike shop landed a mention in Time Out New York, resulting in a 40% traffic spike, all from one unstructured citation. 4. Cleanup citation decay. Use Moz Local 2. 1. Merge duplicate listings, the #1 ranking killer. 2. Update holiday hours or temporary closures. 3. Scrub spammy citations from low-authority sites. 3 citation myths debunked. 1. More citations equals better rankings. 50 accurate citations beat 200 sloppy ones. 1. Quality greater than quantity. 2. Citations only help with Google, Apple Maps, Alexa, and in-car GPS systems all pull citation data. 3. I can ignore citations if I have great reviews. Reviews account for 11% of local rankings. Citations influence 13%. The silent crisis. Citation neglect. A 2023 study found 83% of businesses have at least one incorrect citation. The fallout? 1. Lost customers. Imagine your phone number redirecting to a competitor. 2. Map pack invisibility. Google hides inconsistent listings. 3. Voice search obscurity. Hey Siri, find a nearby mechanic, won't include you. Fix it fast. Run a free audit using Citation Builder Pro Citation Checker. Your citation action plan. 1. Claim your Google business profile today. 2. Fix one inconsistent citation. Start with Yelp, it's a common offender. 3. Pitch one local blog for an unstructured mention. FAQs Q. Can I rank without a website? A. Yes, but you'll plateau. Pair citations with a simple Google Sites page for maximum impact. Q. How long until citations work? A. Directory updates take 2-4 weeks. Unstructured citations, e.g., blog features, can take 3-6 months to influence rankings. Q. What if I have multiple locations? A. Create separate citations for each, but use unique landing pages, e.g., your domain.com/location1 versus location2. Final word: local citation building isn't about chasing algorithms, it's about owning your digital footprint. Every citation is a signpost saying, we're here, we're legit, and we're ready to serve. Spotted a competitor with a glaring citation error? Consider it an open goal. Now go score. Up next, how to turn citations into customer conversions beyond SEO. Subscribe for exclusive tactics.